No cash, no bumper cars.
I'll watch you this time, but you should learn to pinch your pennies, mister.
What a pal.
Now get in there and bump him.
What are you doing?
Oh no!
What are you doing?
What's he gonna do? Board us to death? Oh look! I'm scared stiff! Stiff as a board!
Don't break that.
What jokes are funny? What? Jealous you can't come up with a board joke?
You see this, Mark? Your daughter's already into technology.
No need to say anything, Plank, because I would not hear it anyways.
Plank says bumper cars are for chickens, and whoever thought that up should have their brain lacquered. Boy, buddy, that's harsh. Let's not do anything hasty.
No.
What's that, Plank? Another ride? You're starting to get that luck again, mister.
How right is life with such an animal? I got some tucked away that's sure to curl his shavings. This is sure to turn Blank's end grade. Welcome to the law of no return. It's fast, thrilling, and
Be careful, hon.
Doused with depraved, upset, white-eating termites. Show 'em how it works!
Holy cow!
Will Plank survive? If termites.
You're scaring him, Eddie. But rest assured, Johnny, all safety precautions have been taken. As safety is on prime.
That'll be 50 cents.
Don't do that. Oh, no, no.
Fly with a quarter. Come on, Plank. What'd you say? You're bumming me out, buddy. All right, all right.
What you doing? What you doing? What you doing? What you doing? What are you doing?
Plank, get back here. Oh, darn it.
Double deal.
Dad, Dad?
Bad word, Eddie. Back in. What about the candy store? I got
Dad, Dad?
sex. Where you going?
Lorelai, can you say Dad, Dad? Yeah, you can. Dad, Dad.
Oh, brother. You get
Lorelai.
there. You're insatiable.
Lorelai.
He keeps giving me an ulcer.
Lorelai Lynn. Lorelai Lynn.
My foot.
Dad, Dad.
This is bunk.
Dad, Dad.
Right needs us.
Plank says who needs that bad-headed
Dad, Dad.